Good morning to everyone. Firstly, I want to thank you, each one of you, for bringing out time from your busy schedule on Saturday morning. I am Anu, alumni of Navgurukul. I would like to host the ceremony of today with your support and blessings. Helen Keller said, and I quote, "Alone, we can do so little, but together, we can do so much." और आज मैं इससे टोटली रिलेट कर सकती हूँ. आज मैं जहां कहीं भी हूँ उसके पीछे बहुत सारे लोगों का सपोर्ट. With no further delay, I would officially welcome you all to Agrasar Utsav. Agrasar means moving forward. Indeed, we all alumni are moving forward in our life. Let's welcome our first chief guest, Kshitija ma'am, who is the Managing Director of Corporate Citizenship at Accenture. As Abhishek Bhaiya mentioned, that it was Accenture which funded first batch of women, and none of this would be possible if Kshitija ma'am and her team would not have shown trust on us. It would be honor for us to listen your thought, ma'am, and your word of advice for us as a Navgurukul alumni. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anu. That was a very nice welcome, and it's not your honor to listen to me. I think I'm the one, and I see my colleague Ravi is on the call as well. I think it's entirely our honor and our privilege to be amongst people like this whole batch, which is, has been so determined to do well, not only do well, to succeed and then give back. And I think that's really what, I don't think we started out thinking that this program would come together so beautifully. Yeah, I want to share a little story about when I first met Abhishek. It was in Mumbai, and there was a program there that this organization had done, which was looking at potential funders like us to meet, young entrepreneurs. And I will call them entrepreneurs because this is like a business, even if it's for social impact. Or there was Abhishek there, and they just impressed me with what they wanted to do. It didn't matter that they were new. It didn't matter that, they had just about started, and we just believed in their vision. We thought this is exactly the kind of program that we want to fund. And I'm so glad that circumstances brought us together, Abhishek. I will still say that. And I remind all our colleagues about it, about taking a chance on people and going with, your gut, your instinct. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. But if you don't take a chance and don't try something new, it will never work. And I think all of you who went into the batches also took a chance, right? You all took a chance. You all started something which was new. I'm sure your families were worried. इतनी दूर भेज रहे हैं students को, especially लड़कियां को, वहाँ पे residential camps है. Police took a chance on the program. And I'm so glad that all of you have proved them right or wrong, depending on how you see it. आप लोगों ने सब करके दिखाया है कि you are capable, given the right, opportunity, the right exposure, you can do so much more. More importantly, you all are ambassadors. आप जब 10 जन और को बताएंगे कि ये प्रोग्राम इतनी सक्सेसफुल क्यों है और आप इतने सक्सेसफुल क्यों हो इस प्रोग्राम की वजह से, that more people will get motivated to come and do this programs like this to help yourselves. And I think that's the beauty of this program. It teaches you to be independent. Everything I've heard, all the complaining in the past about cooking भी करना पड़ता है, cleaning भी करना पड़ता है, हम थक गए थे. but it taught you to be independent. It taught you to get ahead in life and to really do something that's needed. But please continue your journeys. Please keep motivating others to, participate in programs like this, and really keep your group together. You all are a special group. The Nav Gurukul group is truly, truly special. So please stay together, keep in touch with each other. You all are all alumni. And, as you start working more and more, you'll find alumni ke jo matlab batches hai, there's something special. Abhishek will tell you, IIT ki unki alumni ki batch hai. They all help each other out. They all network. आप लोगों को करना चाहिए. Build your other networks, but this is your own special network. Navgurukul will always be your home. So keep that up. And I'm truly going to say that I'm the one who's privileged to be part of this felicitation ceremony. So thank you for having me. Ravi, do you want to, just say something from our team as well?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Kshitija. I think you covered whatever had to be said. I think, like you said, it's been a two-way thing, and it's like I have also learned more from interacting with the students and our Gurukul team. Like you said, how to get ahead, and given the circumstances, whatever we are in, how can we keep moving ahead? I think that's the single most learning I take from this, and it's great that the theme of this is aggressor. So I think it relates well with that, and I think from wherever we are in our life, I think we have to grow from there, whichever situation we are in, and that's what now Gurukul stands for, and Accenture also believes in the same values and ethos. I think it's a great partnership, and congrats to all the alumni today who are here, and much more moving forward. So thank you all. Yeah.
Thank you, Kshitija ma'am and Ravi sir. You are Kshitija ma'am, you are such a great inspiration for many girls like me. And Ravi, I have met you personally. Your humanity connects us too much. I have learned lots of things from you guys. I and my team, all the student alumni. So thank you so much for your speech today. Moving forward, I will call Nitin, who is one of the alumni of Navgurukul like me. So let's welcome Nitin. Nitin, are you there?
Yes, I am there. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Over to you, Nitin.
Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are very good. Okay, so guys, my name is Nitin Gupta, and I'll just tell you a very quick recap of what my journey with Navgurukul was. So I came to know about Navgurukul through a family friend, and the first impression that she said that there was a program, ठीक है, कि आपको वो लोग 1 साल रखेंगे, आपको फीड करेंगे, they'll teach you and they'll get you a job, they'll help you to get a job. तो मैंने कहा यार ये कौन करता है, ठीक है, who will do things like this in दिल्ली, और ये उस टाइम पे फर्स्ट बैच दिल्ली में था. तो मेरे को थोड़ा अजीब लगा कि यार ये फ्रॉड होगा कुछ, ठीक है, क्या कौन करता है भाई, तुम्हें खाना भी देगा, तुम्हें रखेगा भी, तुम्हें पढ़ाएगा भी और तुम्हें जॉब भी लगवा के देगा, पता इतनी चीजें कौन करता है आज के टाइम पे, ठीक है. तो ये पहला इंप्रेशन ये था एक्चुअली. बट माय फैमिली persuaded me कि भाई एक बार let's check it out, ठीक है. So I thought let's go there, let's go to the campus and let's figure out what that thing is. Okay, so I went to the campus in Sarita Vihar. I met Abhishek, and the moment, actually the moment, there wasn't a moment. So we had a conversation at that time. Okay, and after that conversation, I was very very clear what they guys, not 100% clear, or mostly 90% clear what they guys are actually going to do in this 1 year course. I was very amazed of what are the things that they have planned till now and what they are going to do in the next 1 year with us. Okay, so I did not think one second more. I said, boss, I need to get in there. I want this thing. ठीक है, पता नहीं था उस टाइम पे कि what is programming, ठीक है, figure out कर लेंगे. But I was very impressed by Abhishek कि भाई ठीक है, भाई ये बंदा ठीक ही लग रहा है यार, कर लेंगे, ठीक है. So I got into Navgurukul. I spent like 8-9 months there. And those 9 months or whatever 8-9 months was a very great experience. तो बेसिकली मैं हमेशा सबको कहता हूँ, ठीक है, कि नवगुरुकुल ने यार एक्चुअली में ना मुझे प्रोग्रामिंग तो नहीं सिखाई, ठीक है, मतलब प्रोग्रामिंग तो सिखाई थी, सॉरी यार, माय बैड वर्ड, प्रोग्रामिंग तो सिखाई, बट एक बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान बनना सिखाया। जब मैं नवगुरुकुल में आया था आई वाज वेरी रूड, ठीक है, मैं लोगों से बात नहीं करता था, ठीक है, सही से, एंड आई वाज वेरी रूड एक्चुअली। बट राइट नाउ आई वो 8 महीने जो एक साथ रहे ना, कि भाई खाना, क्षितिजा मैम सेड कि भाई खाना भी बनाना होता है, सफाई भी करनी होती है, मैं बोलता था भाई मैंने कभी किचन में नहीं रखा पैर, ठीक है, मैं कैसे बनाऊं, बट ठीक है, समझ में आया उसके बाद कि जब जॉब लगी ना 1 साल बाद, यहाँ बैंगलोर में भी खुद ही करना पड़ रहा था यार, ठीक है भाई सर, अच्छा था कि हाँ सिखा दिया है नवगुरुकुल ने। तो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ नवगुरुकुल ने सिर्फ मुझे एक प्रोग्रामर नहीं बनाया, मुझे एक बेटर इंसान बनाया है, ठीक है। और अगर मुझे कोई जूनियर भी है, मेरे कोई भी मेरे से पूछता है कि भाई क्या करें, तो आई ऑलवेज सेड कि भाई ठीक है प्रोग्रामिंग कर लेंगे, आज नहीं तो 2 महीने बाद, 3 महीने, 6 महीने, 1 साल बाद में सीख लोगे ये चीज, बट एक बेटर इंसान बनना सीखो, बहुत ही फायदा होता है, लिटरली बहुत फायदा होता है, मुझे लग रहा है, मे भी सबको ही लगता होगा, ठीक है। बट या दैट वाज जर्नी। 8 महीने के बाद जॉब लगी बैंगलोर में, ठीक है, वहां स्पेंड किया टाइम, आई केम बैक टू दिल्ली। राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग विद in a tech startup named Codeu. So basically, we are building on digital platforms. Like you all have heard about Byju's. Okay, we're not Byju's actually per se, but we are doing something similar. Okay, not exactly, but yeah. So that's all. Thank you guys. And then the last thing I really wanted to I have said this many times. I cannot thank enough Abhishek to Rishabh or Navgurukul. Okay, I just cannot thank. Okay, so last time I wanted to say thanks to Abhishek, Rishabh, and Navgurukul, and all the donors. I actually don't know the specific name, but I want to thank the donors because you guys actually appreciated at that time. Okay, so thank you guys, everyone. I don't know. I actually don't know the names, so I just wanted to include you all. I have met Ravi actually, but hello Ravi, and thank you for your help. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Nitin. I can totally relate with you. Like all the things you told, uh, I can totally I agree with you, and I also feel grateful to all the donors and Abhishek and team. Okay, so as I heard your story, I would also like to mention my some insight of Navgurukul. Like जब मैंने नवगुरुकुल ज्वाइन किया था, तो it was the first batch of girl. तो मुझे मेरे पापा को कन्विंस करना कि मुझे बिहार से दिल्ली जाना was a very big challenge for me. I have already told you so many times in this circle. But हाँ, वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद when I have completed my course, when I have learned so much from so many people, I am doing job in Mindtree as a senior software engineer right now. और मुझे मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर तो बन गई नवगुरुकुल के कोर्स करने से, लेकिन मुझे उससे ज्यादा खुशी इस चीज के लिए कि मैं रोल मॉडल बन गई हूँ, और मेरे वजह से मेरे बाद इतनी सारी लड़कियां मुझसे इनकरेज होकर नवगुरुकुल ज्वाइन करती है, तो मुझे बहुत बहुत खुशी होती है इस चीज से। और इसके अलावा मैं, क्योंकि नवगुरुकुल में मतलब मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था कि सोशल वर्क करके कुछ भी होता है। मैं तो अपने लाइफ में पढ़ लिख रही थी, और 12th के बाद मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था। अगर शायद मैं नवगुरुकुल नहीं गई होती तो मेरी शादी हो गई होती यहाँ पे रहती, तो घर पे। तो आई एम लकी इनफ टू गॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी इन नवगुरुकुल, एंड now I am only the earning person of my family and taking care of them. So I'm very glad and thankful to each one of you who are here, and even those who are not here, to the entire team of Navgurukul. And one more thing, I also want to be like you, like Kshitija ma'am, to be in good designation and help in mass. I want to help my society in mass, and want to give supports in some sort. I really want to do something for the community.
Very good, Anu. I'm sure you will get there. Don't worry.
Moving forward, I would like to call Risin ji, जिन्होंने हमें ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस में काफी सपोर्ट किया था, काफी हेल्प किया था जब हम Mindtree की ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे, और उन्होंने इंश्योर किया था कि हम बिना डिग्री भी अच्छे कंपनी में प्लेस हो जाए. Over to you, Risin. Share your experience and word of.
So, thank you so much, everyone, for inviting me to this felicitation session. And I think we all should take this opportunity to to express our gratitude to the families. Of course, all of you who are from Navgurukul, alumni of Navgurukul, uh, you have taken this enormously courageous step of uh, joining the organization and then doing something which is so unconventional. But at the same time, the support from your respective families, this is a time to kind of remember that and express our gratitude to them. Since this event is mm, uh, uh, about felicitation of those who have been able to pay it forward. I really like the model first, and um, the fact that you have been able to reach out to such a. I'm talking about um, Nav Gurukul in general, because आप लोग जिस तरह से you have been able to reach out to the underserved population, the regions of the country, I think, and the way you are, expanding. So, a big pat on your back for that. So I think I was very excited when I was, trying to do this initiative in Mindtree, to get at least a few of them and a few of the students from Navgurukul and see how this works out. Because मेरे को अंदर से तो पता था कि this is surely going to work, because they had so much confidence in them. When I started talking to them, the determination in them, the pride that they carried, and what really stood out was, some kind of. I think Nitin was also saying it, that more than being a software engineer, it really made them a good human being. And what is essential was perhaps that building of character. So, and I'm so glad to see so many of you after so many years, Anup, Kajal, Pratyush, Devakar, all of you. And hope you are doing well in your jobs and making your teams proud. But yeah, at that time, I was not only me, I mean, the whole organization at that time was very impressed with the willpower that you showed, the intention to take on each challenge, because it was challenging. I'm talking about the learning program in Mindtree, which happened in Bhubaneswar campus. So, of course, there was this, you would see some kind of dynamics playing out. Apart from these five, all the rest of them were engineering graduates. And just to be able to survive and not just survive initially, but thrive later on was really commendable. And I think you are doing some magic there at Navgurukul. The magic is so visible. It is. I think it is something to do with the culture that you build up there. The small things, or maybe the larger things that, in addition to programming or coding, that the students get a chance to do there, to take care of the campus and take care of each other and so on. So I think kudos to all of you, and I hope that it becomes a launch pad for uh, uh, for for all of you. You start dreaming big, and you, as Anu was saying, that you now want to contribute to the society in some way. So I just wish that all of you, explore your potential, explore your aspirations, and then in a very meaningful way uh, start contribute, which you are anyway doing. So I think just scale it up, and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Risinji. Like, we are fortunate, like Navgurukul is fortunate enough to get so many people who are supporting Navgurukul in such a wonderful way. I would like to call Rani and another alumni of Navgurukul campus to speak up. Please, Rani, over to you.
Okay, thanks, Anu. Yeah. So so what from where I start to thank Navgurukul, actually, like there are so many things to say about Navgurukul. Like firstly, when I joined Navgurukul, like it was like a family, like everyone is helpful, like in every place. Like before joining Navgurukul, even I don't know like what to do in life and where to start. Like even I never think of that like कि मैं इस पोजीशन में होंगी, लाइक जिस पोजीशन में मैं आज हूँ कि आज फैमिली के लिए अर्न कर रही हूँ और लाइक फैमिली में लाइक सबसे हाईएस्ट अर्न मैं कर रही हूँ. लाइक ऐसा मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को इतना ज्यादा हेल्प कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन नवगुरुकुल की वजह से ये सब पॉसिबल हुआ. लाइक थैंक्स टू नवगुरुकुल एक्चुअली एंड द डोनर्स, उन्होंने डोनेट किया तभी हमारा नवगुरुकुल अभी मतलब रन हो रहा है, काफी अच्छे से रन हो रहा है डोनर्स के वजह से. तो थैंक यू टू ऑल डोनर्स. या so yeah, this is like from my side. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you, Rani. Rani is the one who got viral on Joe's Talks. Like more than 5 lakhs views are there on the story of Rani on YouTube. Okay, so let's move forward and start our felicitation ceremony. And now over to you, Dimple.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for all your support and making every one of us to dream big and achieve that. Now, let's begin with the ceremony that we are here for. अमर अभी उड़ान में काम कर रहे हैं एज एन एप्लीकेशन इंजीनियर. एंड इतना ही नहीं, जब उनका कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया था नवगुरुकुल में, वो फिर भी वेट कर रहे थे एंड उन्होंने हेल्प की है हमें विद आल्सो डिजाइनिंग द करिकुलम जो हम आज तक यूज कर रहे हैं. सो आई अप्रिशिएट अमर. थैंक यू फॉर योर एफर्ट्स.
First of all, this pic I still remember. Abhishek was asking me to provide some pic. I almost forgot about which pic to give, and he randomly picked up from my Facebook account and placed it there. And I still see it being used everywhere. Secondly, I would like to thank everyone, Abhishek, Rishabh, Anuradha, and all the uh, people who funded Navkul. Really thanks because जब भी मैं बाहर जाता हूँ कहीं पे भी, रिसेंटली ये परसों की बात है, यहाँ पास में कोई स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट हुआ. My friend told them about me and they instantly wanted to hire me with double the amount that I'm currently getting. And जो भी जहाँ भी मैं जाता हूँ, जिस भी लोग से बात करता हूँ, they all became shocked when I say them that I'm just 12 pass and still working as software engineer for past 4 years. But a special thanks जिनको मैंने कभी थैंक्स नहीं बोला, लेकिन आई थिंक दे वर द बिगेस्ट, दे प्लेड बिगेस्ट रोल इन माय जर्नी वेयर माय बैचमेट्स दिवाकर, प्रत्युष, मोनू, जो भी तुम लोग हो यहाँ पे, यार रियली थैंक्स बिकॉज जो भी मैं हूँ आज, यू गाइज वर देयर एज अ सपोर्ट फॉर टैक, फॉर इमोशनल, फॉर एवरीथिंग. जो भी है तुम सब वहाँ पे थे. Yeah.
Thank you, Amar, so much. And now I like to invite and appreciate Akhil, who is working with Coach Chef as a software engineer. And I would like to appreciate him for all the hard efforts he had put to achieve his goal. Now next, I want to appreciate none other than our MC of the day, Anu. And Anu के बारे में क्या ही बोलूं, हम सब उसके बारे में काफी कुछ जानते हैं, लेकिन अभी अनु एज अ सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर काम कर रही है माइंडट्री में. और इतना ही नहीं, इवन वो नवगुरुकुल में काफी अलग अलग पोजीशन में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैंडल कर चुकी है. एंड रियली अनु, यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मेनी गर्ल्स राइट नाउ.
Thank you so much, Dimple. And thank you to entire Navgurukul team and my friends like Kajal, Deepa, Pratyush, Divakar, who are always there to help me out, Rani and all. Thank you so much. All the donors, Risinji and all Mindtree people even. Like, I'm grateful to every one of you. Thank you so much.
Now, I would like to appreciate Divakar, who is also senior software engineer in Mindtree, for being so determined and so hardworking. Thank you, Divakar, for setting an example for many of us.
Yeah, Dimple. I want to thank Abhishek and Rishabh for all the mentorship, not for tech because they don't have that much in tech, but yeah, and all my friends, donors, because without them it's not possible till here. And yeah, still I'm trying to help who needs help, like in tech or socially. And all my two people, Rishi and Prashant. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Divakar. Now, time to appreciate another senior software engineer at Mindtree, Kajal, जो 17 साल की उम्र में ही हायर हो चुकी थी. और इतना ही नहीं, 6 महीने के कोर्स में ही उन्हें जॉब मिल गई थी. सो काजल सबसे यंगेस्ट हायर रही है अब तक की फॉर Mindtree.
Thank you, Dimple. And I'm really thankful to everyone who supported and who guided me in this whole journey from the student to a senior software engineer. And like Abhishek Bhaiya always supported and always motivated me. And my friends, Mindtree friends, and Navgurukul friends, everyone supported me. And I'm really thankful to everyone. And most Navgurukul.
Thank you, Kajal, for sharing. Now next we have Manoj, who works with iDream Education. He's one of the most hardworking students, and he also ensured even after the gap of 4-5 years break from the education, he still learned programming and is doing great at his job right now. Next, we want to appreciate Nitin, who works with CodeYog as a JD developer. Nitin was one of the most diligent and sincere students at Navgurukul. He continued to mentor both students offline and online. Thank you, Nitin, for putting so much extra effort and also supporting other students in this area.
Thank you, guys. It's just a very small gesture of what Navgurukul has provided me. So there is actually no need to thank me. But thank you guys for everything. I don't think any of my batchmates are here, but I would like to mention Shivam. I don't know how many of you know Shivam, but he is a killer guy. Okay, he will always motivates you in very different ways. Actually, I would like to mention his name. I don't know if he's here or not. Yeah, thank you, Shivam, for being a very great friend and a great partner in that journey. Thank you, guys.
Nitin. Now next, we have Pratyush, who worked as a project manager at Mindtree before and is now working with ES, a startup company. Pratyush comes from Bihar, and even he also supported, like Nitin, to many of students to study and learn coding. Thank you, Pratyush, for going beyond the course.
Thank you, Dimple. I was software engineer in Mindtree. Right now I am project manager at Pixel Math. Yeah, I'm leading Pixel Math right now. And yeah, thank you all. Thank you all guests here, Rishin, Abhishek, everyone. We have learned a lot from you. And whatever you have provided us, you have supported in whichever way. We are trying to give back all this to our society. So I'm trying my best for my society as well. Thank you all.
Thank you, Pratyush. Next, we have Rani. We all heard Rani sharing her story. Right now, she works with Better Works as a software engineer. Rani got popular not only in Navgurukul, but all over the country for her Josh talk, which had viewed more than 5 lakhs.
Yeah, thank you, Dimple. Yeah, thank you, everyone. And today where I am because of the Navgurukul family, like I thank again, like thanking again, and yeah, thanks to all the friends who are helping me in this journey, the Navgurukul friends and the Navgurukul family and Abhishek, and thank you everyone, and thank you to all the donors. Thank you.
Thank you, Rani. Now, last but not the least, we have Shivam. And already Nitin has told so much thing about Shivam. Shivam works with Mobile Premier League as SDE1. Shivam always has ton of question, and his curiosity is something, it is still stuck in the campus right now. Now, we have come to the end of this memorable ceremony. But before I end, I want to invite Abhishek, our CEO, for vote of thanks. Over to you, Abhishek.
So I'm just wondering what is left now to thank. It's really an emotional moment for me right now, because paying forward is something which in some sort of, I mean, the vision or the idea of Navgurukul is not just to teach or make someone employable, but it is to sort of make sure that they are able to represent their own selves and solve the problems of their own community. And pay forward in some ways is a very important beginning of that. This is our way of saying that we are going to take care of education of someone else financially, and it's even more heartening to know that all of the alumni are supporting in non-financial ways, which includes teaching students at Navgurukul or outside Navgurukul. And I think it is this spirit that I feel most thankful for at this moment, to sort of keep taking this fame, keep taking this fire inside their hearts to sort of other places. It feels really overwhelming to have most of the Navgurukul team here, a lot of our students here, Kshitija, Ravi, Accenture supported us, and I say this every time and I can't say this enough, and I'll say this again. Accenture supported us when we barely got started. And to have support of an organization like Accenture at that moment means a lot. It really defined our journey. And I think we're very grateful to the fact that now we are in a scale-up stage. We have capacity of about 600 students right now on our campuses. We're opening 3 more campuses in next 4 months with the support of governments. Tripura campus is opening in next 1 month. One of the biggest challenges that we have faced so far is to identify especially women candidates from different parts of the country. And it feels very overwhelming to make sure that we will now be able to reach to the remotest part of the countries and make sure that the education is delivered then and there itself. And Tripura for us is a very important beginning in that regards. Apart from that, we have launched online courses where students are learning English, Python, and typing. And then we have also launched a fellowship where we are recruiting candidates from the top colleges and essentially making sure they're able to work in tier 3 or tier 2 colleges and improve their employability outcomes to a significant number. So a lot of these initiatives are going on, and I think it is all of us together who can make this happen. So really overwhelmed, and thanks for that.